Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. In this video, let's talk about 1913 Lincoln cents and their values. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like collecting like I do, but let's get to the video. Hit the subscribe button if you like anything collectibles related or just talking weird collectibles in general. But in this video, let's talk about your 1913 wheat cent and what it's worth. Now, wheat pennies in general, especially from 1909 to the early 1930s, are really highly sought after, but they're generally found in pretty beat up condition. Heavily worn examples of the 1913 cents are pretty abundant. Over 76 million were minted at Philadelphia. Most circulated freely and show heavy wear. Now, a lightly worn piece is another matter. This reflects in a large jump in value for these coins, but they're quite elusive to come across in your pocket change. Production of the Denver variety cents was only around 15 million pieces, so pretty low, which you'll see when we talk about the values of these coins in a moment. The 1913 S Lincoln penny from the San Francisco Mint are probably the hardest to come across unless they're already graded and bought from a collector or a store. This is a semi-key date in higher grades. If your coin has crisp parallel lines and defined separated grains on the back of the coin, as well as the front of the coin shows lines in Lincoln's hair and his beard is full and able to be seen easily, you could be sitting on a higher grade 1913 coin. So what is the value of your coin? The 1913P, no mint mark from Philadelphia, starts off pretty small at around 50 cents for one of these coins in only good circulated condition. But if you're able to come across one in higher grade, you could be sitting on around $20. A 1913D starts off at about the same price at around $1. However, one in higher grade can sell for around $40 to $50. The most valuable of the three is the 1913S, which is much more scarce to come across, especially in higher grades, but starts off at around $5 per coin, and in higher grades can sell for around $45 or $50, making it the most valuable of the three varieties of this year of Lincoln wheat cent. So these coins are a great addition to your collection. And if you're able to complete a wheat cent collection, you could be sitting on some really good value. Let me know what you think about the 1913 Lincoln wheat cent in the comments below, and let me know what you've come across in your coin and bill searches lately as well. I will see you there, and I will see you in the next video.